What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of all the videos, all the content, everything. Watch them all, run the numbers up, subscribers up, and all that good stuff. So without waffling too much, I've got the All Saints Underground crew neck t-shirt, and this one is in the black colorway. So as you can see straight off the bat, it's got that nice All Saints printed on. All Saints, this is the underground. So All Saints, it's got some Japanese writing in London. And then on the back, it's got the same thing as the front, but it's huge. I'll be honest, I really like that. So it's the same All Saints London. And the writing, I really like things with, printing on the back for some reason. I think it looks quite good. Especially, small logo on the front, big print on the back. I don't know why I love that so much. It's got the print inside, the little information. So it says All Saints, large, made in Portugal, oversized fit, 100% organic cotton. Then we've got the All Saints label or the tag. It's got some information in there if you want to pause it and read it. I really don't want to read it out, if I'm honest. And then it's got what it actually is. So it's Underground SS Crew, jet black, size large, Great British pounds, 55 quid. And yeah, I really like this t-shirt, my people, man. I really do. The quality is quite good. Sizing, I usually wear a large / extra large. I've got some oversized t-shirts from Uniqlo in an XL. This definitely large is perfect because the XL on this is massive. I did try them on beforehand, so you can pop into different stores to try this on. And yeah, let me know what you think of this, people. Don't really have too much more to say. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care.